Let's try and apply our knowledge now of cumulative frequency graphs to some true or false statements that you might see in your test. We've got a cumulative frequency graph here, very similar to the one that we looked at in the last video, but it's got two lines and a key at the bottom. The purple line is representing a non-calculator paper, and the blue line a calculator paper. Our statement is no pupils scored more than 90 on the non-calculator paper. Now the first thing I want to do here is to just drag a straight edge on. You might not have a ruler in the test available to you, but you can use a piece of paper, because I'm interested in where 90 lies. I'm looking at the non-calculator paper, which is the purple line, and I'm interested in whether any pupils scored more than 90 or not. Can you ever think about that? Is that true or false? I can see that it's false. Let's just check why. Here's 90, and you can see that there's one pupil here who scored between 90 and 100. The line's still increasing. So that statement is false. There's one pupil who scored more than 90. The difference in the median score for the two papers is 10 marks. So we're going to need to work out how to find a median from a cumulative frequency graph. The first thing we need to do is read off how many pupils were involved in total. We can see that's 24. And so to give us an estimate for our median, we're going to look at half of that, because the median is the middle person when the data's in order. So that's about the 12th person. So using a straight edge, we're going to find what marks, that 12th person received, both on the non-calculator paper and the calculator paper. So I've just made a mark there with my horizontal edge. Bring in my vertical edge. Again, you can use a piece of paper if you don't have a ruler. So the calculator paper, the 12th person in order, got 60 marks. If I move this across, I'm going to try and be as accurate as possible. Take this away. That looks like 56. So what we've got here is the non-calculator, the 12th person, or the median, was 56. And the calculator paper, the 12th person, the median, was 60. The difference in the median score for the two papers is 10 marks. Hopefully you can see whether that's true or false. It's false. Hopefully I've been accurate enough, but I suspect that the difference is actually 4 marks. Finally, our statement is generally pupils did better on the calculator paper. Now, if we were going to look for data where they did better on one paper than another, we'd be looking for the line that's furthest to the right of the cumulative frequency graph. Now we can see here that the blue line is further to the right, so I believe that that statement is true. If you're not sure about that, you can pick points and look at how many different people got different marks. So if we take this one here, for example, that's 18 people on both tests, but on the calculator paper, the mark is higher than on the non-calculator paper. Similarly, you could take any pair of marks along this line, and generally the blue line, the calculator marks, are to the right, meaning that they did better. And that's cumulative frequency graphs.